morning, Mom. Welcome po in Naranyaga, Ballesteros. I am Christine Joy Yuganaban, a KD reporter of DWOW, a mock radio system of Kabuluan Elementary School of this district. For just a few moments, would you like to say something, Mom, for the conceptions of our listeners over DWOW on how does it feel to be a part of this big and memorable affair being held this 11th day of December 2009 here at Ballesteros District?
As we arrive here in this place, Ballesteros, it's a very, very nice place. We can see many beautiful things here, and the people here are hospitable. So, we are very proud that we came here. We are honored that we came here in your place.
That's nice of you, Mom. Do you have any parting words still for our listeners?
To our listeners, I would like to tell them that really Ballesteros is a very nice place.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom. Oh, thank you so much, Mom, for the precious moment you spared with us. By the way, our listeners shall be too glad to know you and from what district you are from, if you may.
We are from Lasam District.
West?
Lasam West, I
Okay.
should say. We are from Lasam West
Dahil
District.
lahat
And
na.
Ma'am Venus is our district supervisor.
Thank you so much, Mom.
How about
Mabuhay po kayo, Ma'am,
mamaya, another
for the
interview.
precious moment you spared. We love you. Salamat po. Reporting live, direct from where the action is. This is Tintin for DWOW, Kabuluan Elementary School, back to Broadcast Plaza.
Okay, Janina ang ating supervisor.